Thanks, I don't wait tired. I come show yesterday, they perform today. That's why. Now yesterday they pay me for. I don't wait tired. I did get the beg people where they go say come back. I did. I go perform. So I want to thank all of you that waited behind. I don't say I don't laugh. I don't tire. Wait. Just try. Things what I want to talk. They're funny. They're funny. But who don't tire? I know they too laugh. But any which way, because Jesus died yesterday, we'll have fire today. We'll collect the keys of life and death. I've been observing backstage, man. Ghanaians, you guys are crazy. I like you people for one thing. When they follow anywhere tight, logo. Anywhere. I don't watch. I thought they crack a shower joke. They laugh. The next thing is say praise and worship. Una follow. When una die, devil go drag in our body, God go drag in our body. He was promoting us, You understand? Anyway, joke logo, una just me look at the observe. Some guys were here, they were not happy. People come here, one knock job. It gets into praise and worship. A guy don't book room this night. Next thing the guy will say, no, I'm touched. That session cold, I can't. That is the vex. Observing all the performance and everything. Better girl, Irene. How you doing? Nice song, nice outfit. Oh, you know, say she not pass here. Like say now when you don't come to show, you come realize say you're scared too short. They need to wait let you come here. When they dance, they sing. You see men, we sit down upright, they'll come like that. Nice view. You know? Francis Odega, get out of here, man. Wanna clap for this guy. These are one of the pioneers of stand-up comedy in Nigeria. I know you people don't know, he's one of the first people in Night of 1,000 Laughs. He don't hustle. You know easy. You know what it is to hustle more than 20 years? Only one line, you jump blue. Get out of here, man. Any day they talk, I'm even inside church. He's about 65. Oh, sorry, 67. Yeah, it's crazy, man. When I even try, you people came out for show. Bless it. When I don't fear, we enter rich hotel, then they use a bomb detector, they check car. Ghana way peaceful. Only when I use my hand, they find waiting or they find them. And they look them, they laugh. See that short bomb detector, they stand near the car. So if you come there, the thing coming, big, where do you want to run go? Come Nigeria, our bomb detector, they long. They throw. Check from afar. Then we got here backstage, the security with the people, they tell them these are the artists. They say, no, we have to check. The guy they check, they press my ash. I said, eh? Crazy, man. It's crazy. You guys try. When I be the fear, because Nigeria's economy now is in shambles. You know? Dollar just go up. People will come for Christmas, not if you go back. They still in Lagos. Can't return back to Yankee or UK. When they come show, buy ticket, everybody don't lock up for Lagos now. Nobody they spend. Chairman with the dash us money, not the dash again. Normally for show like you see chairman, you just say hey, chairman and hey, you go your blink like 2 times. Bing bing. That 2 times when you blink now $20,000. Bing bing. Now you look there, chairman ahead, and they look you back. No blinking. No blinking. It's that bad. People are being laid off. Fire them, even entertainers. Now only few entertainers still go. I hire bodyguard now. Pay only in first salary December, January nothing. Tell them say don't worry, the economy will pick up. And they go club like this, they bounce, they enter, whiskey and the entourage, they pass. As I don't pass and they go and they look back. My bodyguard don't they follow her. I said, he said, Wheezy, don't worry, you are safe. Abandon me. Now the girls are not smiling, guys are not smiling. Even guys who don't hook here and accents, they say they get girls. Enter club, yo baby, what's up, baby, you okay? For the girl in mind, yo, he just returned. Nothing. One guy deceive one girl, carry the girl enter house, carry and go club, meet for there, toast her, she agree, use English, say, man, you know what I'm saying? Come on, take him home with me. They reach outside, she said, where's your car? He said, ah man, you know, I just got back. Let's take a taxi. Get home, we sort it out, okay? She said, okay. They enter taxi, reach house. The guy they look at, she they look at. They look at, she they look at. She said, pain. I said, oh man, you know, I just got back. I got dollars all over my pocket. Benjamin's baby, I don't got Naira. Don't worry, pay. I'll sort you out. She said, okay. They enter house. No lights. She said, put on a generator. I said, oh babe, you know, I just got back. All that noise, I can't deal. In the US, we don't got generators. I can't deal with that noise. Let's, you know, use candles, like a romantic dinner. She said, okay. They chop. They enter her room. She wants shower, no water. I said, your shower is not much. She said, girl, you know, I just got back. I can't be paying bills when I'm not here. Don't worry, there's a well downstairs. Let's go fetch some water, you know. Have our back, African style, like the ice bucket challenge. And then the girl look and say, talk well. Talk well before I shout. So what you saying? I talk well, I go shout down. Say, okay, now we take it easy. Job not, money not there anywhere. Even I tell girls for Lagos now, say, this one there's no money. No, tell one guy, say, take me out for lunch, take you out. Oh, I want to go shopping, take you shopping. Oh, my car is bad. Can you come and pick me and drop me and carry you? Let's go and see movie. When I go see movie, or end up for a house after 3 weeks of expenditure. You know when they get those excuses when they come up with. You can't see girls they come up with excuse, say, slow down. Let's take it one step at a time. Which step we jump? Tell me who will do that step. The most annoying one is, I've taken you like a brother. I tell you, say I don't know my family. Taking me like a brother. You know? Another annoying excuse is, any man I sleep with will not make it in life. They go when they threaten me. I say, baby, I've made it already. What to do? Oh, get do me. She no excuse again, and she can't say the truth is that if I sleep with you, I will hate you. I will not pick your call. I will never answer you again. Okay. No need to argue. Okay. And the funny part is some of these girls when they form like this, when you enter a relationship, now they will call the love pass. Love turn to monitoring spirit. Anyway, you go there call with another girl, they go just call you. You pick. Hello. Who is that you are dancing with? You say, stop looking back, I'm not there. Serious connection. They see you everywhere. And they tell guys, don't share Wi-Fi with your girl. Don't share Wi-Fi. You go like if your girl say, I'm traveling. You go touch, go hotel. You don't enter car, hold la phone, they drive around all the hotel. As your Wi-Fi network enter, it's here. So she's gonna walk out room to room, they find the network. She reach the door, the thing go full. Say, co. So I'm not the share Wi-Fi again. It's crazy, man. Because when a girl is angry, man, they say hell hath no fury. Provoke, shout. That's why I like our African girls. Our quarrel is different from Oyibo. But the annoying part is many of you all have started behaving like these American girls. You go quarrel. You see, you girls go quarrel. They go just tell the guy, you know what? Who's Jennifer? You're not going to say who Jennifer is? You're sleeping on the couch tonight. My girl go tell me, you're sleeping on the couch. I said, where did that? I didn't even understand. She said, sleep on the couch. I said, the bed spoiled. She said, no. The one way can make me laugh. Pack your bag and leave the house. Which house? My house? Pack your bag and leave. Who are you? Oprah Winfrey? How much you get? Those people back. Another thing girls do is, those girls when they get temper, when they destroy. Some guys say they don't experience that. You know those girls when they fight, when they vex, you know they pick things, they break. They don't ever fight for their house. Now your house. I date one like that, so I'm not a quarrel with her. If we did my house, people say, you are a bastard, you are an idiot. Because if I mistakenly say, I will do. What did you say? Plasma screen. I'm not they talk till we reach her house. 2 days later, she said, hey, you call me bastard, come. What did you mean? She said, go provoke. I mean, look, now our house, we'll keep her. Don't worry. Don't worry. Let's go out. Let's go to your place and say, don't talk the matter here. Let's settle it here and now. Women get angry. When some women get angry like this, you know say a demon possess them. But it's better to date a woman that is possessed by demons than a woman that is possessed by man. So yes. You know, say for Yankee, a normal thing now. But they did get, you know, not saying a transgender. And they ask for childhood pictures now. I see your childhood pictures. I'm just curious. I want to see what it was like growing up. You're going to say, why is the only low cut you have? Do you know what it's like? Say you did trap, you don't know. But one day we start, because that man traced the dead body. Stop it, Bovi, stop it. I don't like it, stop it, stop it. I said stop it! When you deal with baby, don't pin you, now they mean no. She can't pin you. You know when they change, they change their strength from man on to woman. Come pin you on top of your bed. Sit down on top. Don't whisper for you. I have a secret to tell you. Where you did, you go to struggle. Leave me first. No. Guess what? He used to be a man. Can you remove your former dick from me? Pin you down there. The worst thing you will ever experience is to get into a fight with a former man. Transgender. You know, so you know they know. They push you down. Deal with this relationship. Deal with it. Look, you're a woman. Don't let me hit you. I'll deal with you. Okay, you want to do me? Come. She give you one man blow. Boom. You know they ask, who are you? They say, who are you? Who are you? Because you know what hit you, man? It's not ordinary. Who are you? But I personally prefer gays to transgender because that one you didn't know from beginning. And I want to use this opportunity to apologize to any woman who I don't toast, we're not there in the mood. I'm sorry. You know why? Gays now have rights. Once you travel abroad, they have rights to toast you as a man. And you have to be civil. You know if you go take any, they have gay rights. So you watch what you say. So now, when you as a man are not there in the mood, now I know what those women why they toast, we don't want. How body they do now. Sorry. Anybody do here want toast like that? You nearly raise your hand. Do you know what it's like? You take bar for Lagos, guy just come meet you say, "What kind of kid can I buy you a drink?" The response is, "Get out of there, you faggot, idiot, bastard, gay, homosexual." When you try it abroad, you are finished too. So when they date back, then now I know what women they go through. Because you see that our excuses now they sound like now. Guy will have to come. You look kind of kid, can I buy you a drink? No, thank you. Are you sure? What you doing tonight? I'm not alone. My boyfriend went to, your boyfriend, I mean my girlfriend, went to the toilet. Okay, maybe I could call you up sometime. Don't worry, give me your card, I will call you. We don't change up now, we dey behave like them. It's crazy, it's crazy. See, women get power. Women have power. I fear every woman. When a woman tells you, you will see, you will see. It no matter who she be, you go see. I have seen cases, one of the families with the most powerful set of women, the Kardashian and Jenner clan. You know, say those women rugged, from their mama down. Rugged. Every man we don't pass through them, the guy, career the guy. Look, we count them. Nick Cannon, he date Kim Kardashian. French Montana, where they hustle. Reggie Bush, former basketballer. Chris Humphries, former basketballer. Lemar Odom, former basketballer. Ashawu has nearly died the other day. See Scott Disick, Courtney husband. As they break up, the guys start to drunk, they misbehave. See, you know, see Kanye West? That one, they all look and say, okay, we not feel reckon, more make an Chris. We join Twitter. Even their mother, original Kardashian, her husband died of throat cancer. Enough he chop, enough he drink water. He throat block, he died. Now waiting Bruce Jenner look, say, if you can't beat them, you join them. And the guys switch completely. But you know, the most powerful woman in the world, my world, she died in January. My mom, my sweet mom. January, she just pegged like that. Christian woman, good woman. I took her to the airport on Sunday, Monday. She not sick. I look, see my mama, good woman like that. She was just 58. Mama died. Yesterday alive. Not be smart, though. I explain tire. Different people. The bad thing about when you lose somebody is that you will tell the same story over 1,000,000 times. What happened? Was she sick? No. So what happened? I took her to the airport, she got on the plane. When she landed, she had a heart attack and she died. Now, I don't tell you, why not go tell other people now? Then they go call other people, say, she died, come. Come on. Nothing happened, she wasn't sick. I took her to the airport, she got on the plane, she landed, she had a heart attack and she died. The two of them will say, Che! Sorry. How far now? What if mama died? Come. See, you remember John? John say sorry, what did happen? I talked to one point, if I see that they come from far, they say she's not sick. I took her to the airport, she entered plane, she get heart attack, she died. I did explain down, you know? And then, when this thing happened, I now realized why some people cry, they differ. Mama died like this, I mean, they cry. I was devastated. But you know, you get the kind of thing that they give you. Just come, stop crying, it's okay. Let me know what the burial plans are like, Or just use this check to hold your side first. Sasia. It's okay, I understand. You'll call it philosophical. Everything calm down. I received check to the point I can't look my back. And how body they do you? Sound fine, you sure? I know you miss her. Anything you do now is fine. I won't kill her joy. At the graveside, at the cry, they hold me. That is, I won't jump enter. Even me, for my mind, I won't jump enter. I say, let me die. Let me die. This life is useless. I cannot live this life again. There's no use. No. not be small beg. I say, leave me, they hold me. One man just waka come, just push check for my hand. I look at 10 million. I say, it is where, go where. I will continue your legacy for me. Yeah. On a final note, my mom, I know say when she died, she was shocked because get things what they do where she don't know as a human being. She don't know. But now, as she don't die, don't turn to saints, she dey see everything. Only make her go mistake, praise God, make her my guardian angel. What's mistake? I don't think we did. She don't appear. Get up. There you're close. Pull that rubber. Go home, go and meet your wife. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's been a long night. I gotta go now.
No
Thank you so much for having us.
Just the boy struggling. K1 style out there. Some classic lifestyle, man. Let go. K1 in the mix.
Got more flows, life really good, baby. You don't know, yeah, that's if I stay low. We have got glow, and I'm never gonna blow, cause I'm feeling so high.
Life is good, so I had to live it good. Winning on my mind, so I never wanna lose. Had to true life, yeah, I need a good pose. So I live a chase life, homie, no hoes. Cause statistics try over.
The disabled in the class, the deformed. We had one in our class called Edward. When the class is going this way, you see Edward going. He was a deformed person. No, tell me from that. No, like that deformed. And he always has very big head, big lips, big mouth, big eyes. Edward, see, he had the tagline, nobody in the whole world can compete with. When you piss him off, he just look at you. That's his wife. Hey, he has a super papa. Edward, why are you sleeping in the class? And do you know what I like? The way he lifts the head. One time, we were in the class, the whole class was reeking of beans. Class was full beans. I was like, what the hell is going on? Who is eating? Edward was in the back. He had beans mixed with gari and plantain, and he poured it into his pocket. And he was just fetching it with the 2 fingers. So everybody tell me where it was Edward. Edward, I didn't know why you eating the beans. Why are you eating beans in the class? Why you make the class on the He does it to everybody, even the headmaster, he gives it to him. Headmaster, hey, how did you be sent for school fees? You're supposed to be going. I said you to be sent for school fees. You can't be. And listen, ladies, you think you have some super hot boyfriends. Some of them were Edwards in our time. So make sure if you have a boyfriend, go and ask her former schoolmate, how was he? You say, oh, your boy, you know what they call him? And they have the nerve to tell us that we should accept gayism. Barack Obama is the biggest disappointment to the black society. If you agree, the show some love. I won't mince my words, I'll tell it straight. He's an idiot. You know the only race that stays genuine to humanity is Africa. See boy, Obama, yes we can. Yes we can. You don't even know Obama's father's name. Obama. We voted for you. You ain't be a true. And he was actually going on an African campaign. You need to accept the gays and lesbians in the society. Because the society go with you. Shame. Do you know the best person who dealt with Obama from him? Mugabe. What did he tell him? He said, look, if he wants us to legalize gayism and lesbianism, unless he's ready to be my boyfriend, I will legalize it. Now imagine Barack Obama, Mugabe boyfriend, or they are married. And Mugabe wants to make love that night. Barack Obama, you have to really lubricate your buttocks because tonight is going to be, I tell you. What kind of stupid thing I tell us we should accept gayism for the world? This is Africa, my nigga. And do you know what they told us? That animals have gay tendencies. That's a bloody lie. Who has ever seen a gay lion before? Tell me. You are watching National Geographic, Animal Planet. How do lions look? Nigga, I'm gonna show you. What the fuck? Come on for here. That's how lions look. Have you ever seen a gay lion on National Geographic? A lion chasing a zebra. Round, zebra, come round. I'm a lion, don't you know? Give me your meat. Let me bite you one, please. Who has ever seen a gay freaking lion before? Or gay monkeys? Monkey walking in the cave. Oh wow! Oh baby Anna! No, that's how monkeys walk. Oh wow! True. But there's one animal, I believe that animal is gay. A cat. If you love cats, you are close to being gay. I tell you what. If you love dogs, you are not. A cat. What do you do when you see a stranger? A dog will bark. What does a cat do? Look at you. Oh, Charlie, my guy, check. See my tie. Oh, why no one look at me? Then when you don't look at him, he gets pissed off. Looks at you the whole time. When you meet eye to eye. Gay animal. And some boys say you are gay, but you don't know. Let me give you some few signs. If your favorite musician is Beyonce, you are gay. If you're a boy, how can your favorite musician be gay? Drunk in love, we'll be all night. Boy, you are gay. If you know how to dance Amanda perfectly, you are gay. Amanda. What's that? You are gay. If you are on WhatsApp as a boy and you chat saying hello, you are the most gay forever. Because how do real niggas chat on WhatsApp? Y-O, show. That's how the hell we chat, nigga. The fuck is hello? Do you know what kills me? When you see hi, like Chinese on Chico. Hey, hi. Oh, so my guy, hi, my guy. Who be you? And so I be Dennis, I meet you for the school from Dennis, this will be your last warning. True! Is any guy here who chats by saying hi? Who is that? Look! Back then, Ghana was the ish. Back then, let me tell you, if you don't watch Captain Planet on the weekend, don't go to school on Monday. If you don't watch Power Rangers, we actually watch Power Rangers and come out and replay it. Then you see us in the suit, go Power Rangers. I'm red. And then you have the Chinese movies. Those times, Mnet, 2 p.m. Hey, everybody's in a hurry, go and you go watch. After you watch, Charlie, I be Tompo. And another guy said, I be Shanchong. We're fighting Chinese. Don't joke. And then there's this one, Journey to the West. Even our parents were watching it. One time my mom, come on, you ain't about me. In case you ain't about me. Yes, that's a powerful thing. Those times, these days when it rains, they tell the kids, hurry up, get to the room. You catch cold. Oh, see? Our time when it rains, it's a goddamn pool party. What does the mom say? First thing I call is solo, never go to mommy. So you're in the rain and your mom is in the room through the window. God will punish our mother. Hey, for market, you go so why? Town, and you see the boys and the girls in the back. Those times the roofing sheets, you know, that's when the water pours. They're just inside. Hey, what's up, man? Yeah, John Rastafari, me and them on them. Those were the times when you enjoy the rain, evening time in the roof. And your mother would the same mother will come and tell you, whoa, it's so popping out of Jimmy, but I said what for the generation. Back then, we were the ish. Who didn't steal his mother's points? But you go get points. Aloha, black and white, Asana, Adule, Atomo, Nilo, Nido, Cerelac. When you buy Cerelac for your siblings, that is when you start your operations. My mother, she used to notice the Cerelac going down. When she said, do you know what we used to do in that time? When our parents buy it and they don't open it, we don't open it. The moment they open, attack. My mother bought Milo, she never opened it, no attack. The day she opened it, fresh, 20-15 minutes later, BAM! Then she came back, hey! The owner has struck. Second day, third day, look, I was in love with it. The Milo looked like Yvonne Nelson for me. Like, I go walk through the room, when I'm looking at the Milo looks like, you know, Yvonne Nelson, always she has a leg hanging on the wall. When I go out, let me fetch one. And you don't know, those times, when you fetch, you put it in your mouth and you come out and your mom asks you a question. That's when you turn to a deaf and dumb. You have the Milo in your mouth. And when you come out, what do you do in the room? I ain't supposed to go to school. What's your mouth? Maybe you're like, oh, no, bend down, look at that now. One time I was still in the Milo, she caught me. Hey, beatings with this. I was in the room. No, she had marked me down. So I was in the room. She don't know. You know how we stole in our time? Then she just stand by the Milo and be holding the spoon. It's spoon. Spoon is nice. It's spoon. But when you open it. So then when I put it in my mouth, then she entered the room. And you said, and I said, oh, I was fetching it for you. Fetch whatever. Me I say tea, more. She don't say we were collecting the beating so. My mother could beat me with full style. She could beat me King Solomon's mind style. She could beat me, how do you call it? Pirates of the Caribbean. You can even hear the sound effect when she starts, you know, she has the king. You know it's about to go down. Do you know how we're chatting our time? Hey, yesterday, the way my mother beat me, don't be easy. She beat me and my head was aching. Then someone will come, oh, come on, they didn't beat you. You know what they do to me. Those were the times. Who here smokes weed? You see, they are not confident. And you see them on BBM and WhatsApp. Jah Rastafari to the weed. This is a solid herb to the nation. Declare yourself. Do you know the scariest thing is to tell a joke to a weed smoker? When you smoke weed, your brain went faster. And when you drunk, your brain went slower. So as you tell a joke to both people, this is how they hear it. Like it's simple, I've told a joke. Marriage is like a public toilet. Those inside want to come out. Those outside want to go inside. Be careful you don't get running stomach. Simple joke. Now, the drunk guy, this is how it sounds to him. He's looking at you. And the joke is flying, is coming. And it enters the head. Marriage is like a public toilet. Those inside. Be careful you don't get running stomach. Guy didn't fall, so just go be papa. Slow motion. But the weird guys, everything is so fast. Weird guys are comedy shows. They just tell them what the joke. Now the same joke as I've told. This is how the weird guys hear it. Everything was faster. One time I smoke weed, you know, be small thing. See, when you smoke, you are not far from being mad. One senior of mine, he smoked. And we were just speaking about strength in school. So he just came, was just watching us. You know when you go and smoke with the red eyes, they keep looking at you. And then one time they say, the man he did. Tell him to don't jump the wall. Then all of a sudden just entered. Who tell you say Monday? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. If you say Monday, Friday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, no more than day, Sunday, Sunday. The day they say the Monday. Who tell you? We knew he was going mad. He smoked the weed in the bunker. He had his leg hanging like this. After smoking, he was just the boys. I don't like some jokes. Crowd. Who carry my leg? No. Why for take my leg? Now the whole argument was about his leg. A senior of mine smoked, he jumped on the school wall and was just falling the whole time on the wall. So you be in your classroom, you see, it was not MBA, you see him on the wall and he looks like you. Please don't smoke. I beg you. It doesn't kill. Tobacco kills. But when you smoke, your conscious mind fights your unconscious mind. So when you smoke, it's like two people are talking to you. So you can just tell, why do they walk slow? Walk fast. Okay. Why do they walk fast? People they watch you walk slow. By your own leg. So walk fast then. Get there for walk fast. I went to buy food. I had the food in my hands. They said, but why did you carry the food for your hand? When your pockets big? I said, yeah. I put the food in my pocket. Now people were looking at me. And I was looking at it like, what be my problem? And he was there looking at, you see how they look you. Where the food is no good. Put out for your head. That's the right way. I put the food on my head and I was smiling at it. Going. I started eating. I met a friend. So I told him that challenge. You give me a plate, make a chop. You know, weed makes you hungry. So I was going to pour the food in the plate. Then the unconscious guy told me, look, if you pour for the plate, you will vanish. So make a chop for the rubber. I was sitting there, I said, why you chop for the rubber? Check like some church on mate for a door now. Pour the thing for plate, you be gentleman. And I pour the thing in the plate. I was sitting. See your guy, watch the guy, watch the guy. You want chocolate, you want steal out. Hide now. And I was sitting in the food like this. Hey, Ganja! You know it's small though. If you smoke Ganja and still stable, please drink your water. Show some love.